Hi, welcome to this Salsa Beginners tutorial number 5. In this tutorial we will teach you how to do the crossbody walk and the crossbody inside turn. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let it know by giving it a thumbs up.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to teach you the crossbody walk and the crossbody inside turn. So, let's do it. Crossbody walk. There are many names for the crossbody walk. We call it the crossbody walk because you're walking like under the bridge. So it's going to be as follows. First I'm going to bring the lady to my other side so you can see what's happening. When we do the crossbody lead, is 1, 2, 3. Remember? If you don't remember, look at one of our previous parts in which we're going to explain the crossbody lead. If you already know it, perfect. Main thing is the right foot of the lady and the right foot of the guys are aligned. Alright? With the crossbody lead, I'm in this position. With the crossbody walk, what I'm going to do is I'm going to release this hand. I'm going to bring the lady under her arm. 5, 6, I'm stepping a little bit behind her, and 7, we're going to turn both towards each other. Let's do that now from this side. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to the side, she's going to walk on, and 7. So it's just after the basics, lady, it's 2 walks and then you're going to turn. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, release, 6, and now you're going to turn, 7, and then you have the crossbody walk. All right? 1, 2, 3, crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, crossbody walk. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, crossbody lead. Crossbody walk. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now note that we have one hand. The crossbody walk, like any other movement that we do with it in salsa, you can do with several hand combinations. So then you have a slightly different approach to it, but the basic steps still stay the same. So for example, if I keep both hands here, I'm going to do the same crossbody walk, but then keep both hands sliding, just as we explained in the tutorial of the left turn. We're going to slide the hand here and bring the lady up. Let's see what's going to happen. So first we do the crossbody lead. Ready? Crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. I'm going to slide the hand. I'm going to bring her in the crossbody walk, and I'm going to lift both of the arms. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So now we end like a cross. Okay, so this is one of the variations. Within this, guys, I'm going to give you an extra. We can do a left turn. 1, 2, and now my right hand is going up because I want to turn into that hand. 2, 3. Now I'm going to release both hands. 5, 6, 7, and we are back into the basic step. So this is an extra. Let's try the extra one more time. Ready? We first start with the crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. You're going to slide a hand just like in the left turn. 1, 2, bring the hands up. Let her walk. 5, 6. She turns. Now we're going to do a left turn, guys. 1, 2, 3. The hand is going over my head. I'm going to release the hands. And 5, 6. And we're going to catch again into the basic position. The first start with the crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. You're going to slide a hand just like in the left turn. 1, 2, bring the hands up. Let her walk. 5, 6. She turns. Now we're going to do a left turn, guys. 1, 2, 3. The hand is going over my head. I'm going to release the hands. And 5, 6. And we're going to catch again into the basic position. All right? practice, and we return in the next segment for the crossbody inside turn. Okay guys, we're going now for the crossbody inside turn. Many names for it, like a crossbody left turn. In fact, it is a left turn, but then in a traveling modus. We call it the crossbody inside turn because we turn the lady inside our dancing line. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. We're going to do crossbody lead first, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do exactly the same steps as a crossbody lead, but now I'm going to lead the lady into a left turn. So 1, 2, 3. This is the same, but now she's going outside to go inside, and 7, she ends away from me. And then 1, 2, 3. Now note that I put a hand on her shoulder blade so we can go back into the closed position. So let's do that again, but then first crossbody lead. 5, 6, 7. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So for the guys, nothing changes beside if you're leading her into the crossbody lead. For the ladies, when you do the crossbody inside turn, what's happening is when you do the basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now what we're going to do, at least you're going to do, is going 1 to the back, 2, 3. Now in this case, nothing has really changed. Put your weight on your right foot. But now it's going to happen. We're going to go a little bit outside. 5. Just in the left turn, you have this twist, remember? Now we're going to turn, and step on right. Now we turn one more time. Stay here. So this is 7. Let's do that again. Without the basic step, we go first 1, 2, 3. You're standing on your right. Now you're going to go open and you stand on your left. 6, you're going to go turning. 7, and then you're going to go to the basic step. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it from the side. So guys, sorry girls, we're going 1, 2, 3. Now 5 we open. 5, this is going outside to go now into inside, so we turn now to the left. 6, 7, and we are facing away from the guy. The guy is behind us, and then you go into 1, 2, and 3, and you can go back into the basic step. Let's do that together with the lady, guys. All right, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to twist the lady outside on 5, and we're going to shift her weight, guys, from a left to a right. So 5, she's going a little bit outside. Don't go too much. Not necessary. It's just the intention is already enough to her having to do the turn. So 6, we are facing each other. 7, and then put the hand on the shoulder blade so she can turn. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Let's do it again. Crossbody lead first, and then we go into the inside turn. 1, 2, 3, outside to go inside, and hand on the shoulder blade. Now for the ladies, if you want to do an extra styling, in order to give space for the guys, that they can put the hand on the shoulder blade, you can put your hand up on 1. So you have a little bit of styling, but it's also functional because then he's got the space to put the hand really good on your shoulder. All right? So let's do that. We have 1, 2, 3. We're going into the inside turn. Go outside. 5, 6, 7. Now the hand is going to be on the shoulder blade. She's going to go on 1 up with her free hand. It's in this case the left hand. So 1, and now we can go back. 2, and she can really gently put it back again on the shoulder. 5, 6, 7. Let's do that again. Crossbody lead. 5, and now inside turn. 1, 2, 3, outside to go inside, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, crossbody walk. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, crossbody walk. 1, 2, 3, crossbody inside turn. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now one final point is when we're turning the ladies, we don't want to stretch out our arms. It's just gently with our fingers we lead the lady into the turn. So again, 1, 2, 3. So not going. See, that doesn't work. You want to do gently. 1, 2, 3 outside to go inside. Relax. Forget put the hand on the shoulder, but let's do it again. And ladies, you can put your hand up on the 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's try the music and show you the combination with also the crossbody lead, right turn, left turn, and the rumba cumbia. Okay, let's do first the crossbody lead. And now the crossbody walk. So 1, 2, open, 5, 6, 7. Crossbody lead, and then inside turn. Inside turn. 1, 2, 3, prepare, and turn. 1, 2, 3. Crossbody walk. 1, 2, 3. Inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more time, this combination. Crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5. Crossbody walk. Crossbody lead. 2, 3. Crossbody inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And now with some other figures. Right turn for the ladies. Right turn for the guys. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Left turn for ladies and left turn for the guys. 5, 6, 7. Guys. Crossbody lead. Inside turn. Crossbody walk. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Hi, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, check back later because we are adding every time new footage and new training videos. So if you like it, subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and hope to see you back soon. See you!